I bad? Am I bad Toastmaster partners?
How many of you drive here? How many of you give way to the ambulance? Strange. Good evening, Toastmasters and dear guest. I am Paras Sachdeva presenting a speech before you. One beautiful day I was driving, and while driving, I heard a noise. The sound of an ambulance. I looked around and saw that an ambulance is coming. Now, being a responsible person, I gave away to the ambulance, thinking that there may be a medical emergency to a certain person. Just few meters away, I saw the same ambulance standing around the corner, and the driver was flirting with a girl. And I said to myself, in no way being horny is a medical emergency. I was furious, not because I was single back then, because I was thinking, how can a person do this when another person is bestowing a trust upon him? A special societal duty he has to obey. I shared this incident with a friend of mine. He also said that similar incident has happened to him. I was furious. From that day I vowed not to give way to the ambulance. Was I bad? Am I bad to do this?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So you are saying just because one or two incident, I should not blame the whole ambulance?
Yes.
So you are saying that I should not deter a community just because of a few examples?
Yes.
Are you sure that you are saying this?
Yes.
Then why I am seeing every day multiple and numerous examples in the society of similar systems? I am seeing just because one terrorist attack happened, all the society blames a particular community. Rather than questioning the accountables, a question has put a certain community why it has happened, because that all has happened because of you, the whole community. Why some of the incidents has surfaced that due to women assault on the men, why the question has put on the whole women society? Why I am bad? Just because I am doing what society is telling me to do. Why I be questioned when the society is doing the same thing? I am giving back to the society what I am taking from the society. Why should I be on the podium of a bad person? You know why? You want to know why?
Yes.
Because my judgment is clouded by hatred. Just one hatred. All the all the logic, all the reason, all the maturity that I have is gone and clouded. Just one thing, that is hatred. I hate all the ambulance just because the driver was flirting with the girl, and because I was single back then. I was putting a question to the whole ambulance community. The circle of hatred started with the one example and carry on to the other, to other. Without the empathy of being an ambulance. Just imagine if I do not give the way, I am following a way. Just imagine how much bad I can give to the society. Just because I have followed the trend of hatred. One thing more about the trend that society points out each and every one. Just because you are not in that moment. A society has pinpointed a woman just because she was wearing something. A society has pointed out a man because he was doing something. The question of that hatred will continue to the trend once I start giving way to the ambulance. Just because I am doing something, I am bad. Just because I am doing something, that's why I am bad. Because I am not giving that way to the ambulance. Rather than doing what is right, I was questioning only and only one thing, that has happened, that has have taken as a trend. Now, what I am doing is that following the trend of hatred, and to continue it, so that I could satisfy my ego. But since he is also a bad person because one of the things has happened. Think about it. Why the societal hatred continues and pondering upon again and again. Over to the team.